Speculation surrounding the Samsung Galaxy Fold has yet to completely unveil the specifics of this trailblazing foldable handset. Nonetheless, it's increasingly probable that 2025 will signal the debut of Samsung's inaugural triple-folding smartphone. Unfortunately, Samsung won't claim the title of the first brand to release such a device. That honor belongs to the Huawei Mate X-T Ultimate Edition, which launched in 2024. However, due to Huawei's challenges with Google Apps and limited market availability, Samsung could realistically be the first to offer a triple folding phone that caters to a worldwide user base. Samsung traditionally announces its foldable lineup each summer, implying we might witness the Galaxy Fold, or its final branding, within the next few months. In preparation, we're compiling all confirmed leaks and insights gathered thus far regarding this revolutionary product. Samsung has submitted patents for triple folding phones as early as 2023. However, it's crucial to recognize that patent filings don't always lead to consumer-ready launches. Fortunately, conversations around the Galaxy Fold go beyond speculative patents. Initially, Rumours suggested Samsung's triple foldable would arrive in 2024. But recent reports suggest the much-anticipated release has shifted to 2025, a timeline corroborated by multiple insiders. Over the last year, sources have hinted that Samsung's forthcoming smartphone might be named the Galaxy Fold, departing from the Galaxy Z nomenclature associated with the company's current folding portfolio. This branding move signals a deliberate marketing strategy to emphasize the device's futuristic innovation. While official pricing remains undisclosed, it's reasonable to assume the Galaxy Fold will retail above $2,500, especially given the $1,900 tag on the Galaxy Z Fold 6, coupled with premium upgrades. On the other hand, the Huawei Mate X2 comes in at nearly $2,800, suggesting Samsung could aim for a similar price point. Unfortunately, there's concerning intel regarding this phone's market reach. Sources claim the Galaxy Fold may only be available in restricted batches in South Korea and China. This limited launch could hinder access for consumers in the US, UK, and Australia, possibly prompting them to wait for a wider second-generation release. On a related note, the next entries in Samsung's foldable series, the Galaxy Z Fold 7, are expected to launch in July. However, there's no current evidence indicating that the Galaxy Fold will appear at any of Samsung's upcoming Galaxy Unpacked showcases alongside these models, making it a product worth watching. While comprehensive hardware specifications for the Galaxy Fold remain under wraps, some fascinating elements have surfaced as we await further clarity. The Fold is projected to adopt an inward-folding architecture featuring a separate external cover screen, opposite the primary flexible display. In contrast, outward-folding devices like the Huawei X2 rely on a portion of the main screen as the front panel when folded. In terms of dimensions, the Fold is likely to unfold to nearly 10 inches with a 6.49-inch cover display. These dimensions mirror those of Huawei's model and reflect the benchmark set by the Galaxy Z Fold 6, which offers a 6.3-inch external and 7.6-inch internal display. Notably, both displays on the Galaxy Fold may lack stylus compatibility as Samsung is reportedly excluding the necessary digitizer layer. This choice is particularly unexpected given the long-standing S Pen support on the Galaxy Z Fold line. Still, considering this is a first-generation concept, Samsung might be focused on perfecting fundamental aspects before layering on additional tech or costs. Although precise camera hardware remains unconfirmed, it's logical to anticipate a rear camera configuration resembling leaks around the Galaxy Z Fold 7. This could entail a 200MP primary sensor, a 12MP ultrawide lens, and a 10MP 3x telephoto snapper. The device is also expected to house a 12MP front-facing camera in a punch-hole design on the cover display, plus a 4MP under-display shooter on the main panel. The expected specifications of the Galaxy Fold are shaping up to be impressive, especially regarding performance and storage options. While no verifiable data has emerged from unofficial sources yet, Samsung is expected to power the device with the Snapdragon 8 Elite chip used in the Galaxy S25 lineup launched earlier in 2025. A memory configuration of 12 gigabytes RAM and a base storage of 256 gigabytes also seems likely. Estimating the battery size is tricky, given the phone's complex design. As a reference, the Mate X features a 5,600 mAh battery, while the Galaxy Z Fold 6 comes with 4,400 mAh. With more internal space in the Fold chassis, Samsung might include a larger battery to manage the extra screen area and power demands. Charging capabilities will probably align with prior Galaxy foldables, with 25W wired charging support. However, an upgrade to Samsung's faster 45W solution would be a welcome enhancement. As we await Samsung's official unveiling of the Galaxy Fold later this year, we're hopeful that company insiders will leak more key details about this intriguing release. For now, it's encouraging to see Samsung committed to bringing this pioneering smartphone to life. There's no real urgency to rush production, so long as the company delivers a polished, glitch-free experience akin to Huawei's recent launches and steers clear of the issues that plagued the original Galaxy Fold. We're happy to wait. Trifold smartphones appear poised to become the next major leap in the foldable space. Huawei's Mate X2 has already launched outside China, and new developments hint that Samsung's Galaxy Fold may arrive this summer alongside the Z Fold 7. A fresh report from ET News shares a treasure trove of details regarding the Fold, which appears to be Samsung's long-anticipated triple-folding device. Based on insider claims, production for the Fold is slated to begin in April, coinciding with the Galaxy Z Fold 7. It now seems plausible that all three foldables could debut simultaneously. Samsung traditionally hosts a Galaxy Unpacked event during summer, where we expect the next-gen Galaxy Z foldables to break cover. While the precise launch date remains speculative and can shift yearly, if these forecasts prove accurate, the Galaxy Fold could reach shelves by late August. However, its distinctive design might create distribution hurdles. A source suggests production will be capped and focused on specific global markets. Much like last year's Fold SE release, we hope Samsung opts for broader availability this time, as the special edition foldable was exclusive to China and South Korea. The big question remains, what design approach is Samsung taking for the Galaxy Fold? ET News provides more than just timelines. Insiders have also revealed design aspects, particularly the form of foldable technology in play. As anticipation mounts, enthusiasm surrounding the Galaxy Fold keeps escalating. Unlike the Huawei Mate X, which utilizes an outward fold to create a unified display, Samsung is likely to maintain the inward folding format seen in its E Fold series. If you've seen the Samsung Flex G prototype, you've got a good idea of what the interior display might look like. So, if you've got any questions or feedback, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Remember to like and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Until next time, take care and goodbye.